Hey, welcome back, lawn lovers. BW here. Hey, I hate to say it, but it's time to clean up the garden. This was a great year for the gardens. Everything grew so well, matured on time, and produced a real bounty of fruits and vegetables. If you haven't kept up with my gardening, you can watch all of my gardening videos on my YouTube channel page in the gardening playlist. But here's a quick peek at how it all went along. And here's how it looks today after harvesting all the peppers and tomatoes. Pretty sad, isn't it? A little bit of care in the fall will help to ensure the success of your next garden. I think I'll start with the serrano peppers and their cages. I enjoy being out on a warm fall day working in the garden. I've waited until the last minute to do this job a few times in the past, and the cold weather takes a lot of the fun out of the job. The garden produced over 100 pounds of produce this year. I used to do a lot of canning and freezing of the garden produce, but it seems I've gotten a little bit lazy over the years and have grown quite fond of finding easier ways of doing things. So I kept just what I could easily enjoy and gave the rest to a local food shelf. They're always grateful to receive it, and I still enjoy growing them. The cages are just simple tomato cages that stack into themselves. It's a little extra work to cut up the plants, but I can fit more in the container by doing that. I use a pair of pruning shears to do the cutting. I just cut them into 1 to 2 foot lengths so they can lay flatter in the container without having to fold them over. I have a lot of new grass growing in here after spreading seed on the new lawn renovation. I'll have to spray that with some weed and grass killer. I always seem to miss a few peppers when harvesting, but I'm happy to keep a few extra. Now I just need to clean up all of the leaves, peppers, and tomatoes that didn't make it. Boy, look at the size of that dandelion. I can dig him out by the root now that the garden plants are all gone. Cleaning up all the squishy tomatoes can be a messy job, but it will prevent them from sprouting up hundreds of baby tomato plants in the spring. You can wear a pair of rubber gloves to make this job a little less terrible. These gloves have rubber palms, but I think some tomato juice just made it through the top of my glove. Oh yeah, let's take care of that dandelion. There, I got the whole root and everything. That's important. I don't till the garden in the fall. That just seems to bring up more weed seeds, and I like to keep the soil intact so it doesn't blow away in the wind. Hey, don't miss my next video. I'll be giving the front yard a little fall lawn care. Until then, do me a favor and hit that subscribe button, and then ring the bell that pops up next to it. That way you won't miss the next video. You know you can do it.